Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the continuation of One-Stop Guide for RV Newbies Part 2. Let's begin with videos and photos essential. Here I want to talk about camera, GoPro, and their basic accessories like tripod, SD card case, camera lens, camera bag, the charger, camera and GoPro cable, camera remote shutter release. This one is really useful. You can take as many photos as you can alone. Backup batteries. Finally, selfie stick. Let's move on to things near driver's seat. Now I have few face masks, vinyl gloves, then sanitizer, tissue paper. I have sunglasses. Next this one hat, few charging cables, and please buy audio cable with lighting connector. If not, have USB port. Now the power bank, and have some amount of cash or card near driver's seat for drive-through restaurant and parking tickets. And snacks, you can munch it while driving, and this also reduce small hunger. Then water, winter jacket, pom-pom hat, winter gloves, and finally a shawl. Keep it handy. Next we move on to backup essentials. We took extra batteries, then a rope bundle, now 2 carabiners. Usually the uses of carabiners are many. One can tie ropes or wires. With the use of carabiners, can hang hat and it hold key. Now we move on to RV meals. I totally agree, meals depends on people choice. To this trip, we bought 2 bags of water, totally 80 counts. This is sufficient. I reviewed that the water taste in RV location is not good. Here comes the food items. I brought some cooked food items from home that are chicken curry, prawn stew, biryani, chicken fry, chicken quesadilla prep. So whenever we want, we can just heat up and have it on time. On top, RV has kitchen. So I thought of use it as well. To there, I took rice. To make coffee, I took coffee powder, coconut sugar, and milk. To make breakfast, I have chicken quesadilla prep. Then I got tortillas, butter, cheese. Yummy, we love quesadilla. Now bread, pasta, few frozen parathas, egg, and fruits like mango and banana. Finally, grilled skewer items like ginger garlic paste, lemon, yogurt, mushroom, corn, salt and pepper, and paprika powder, and others. Next we move on to mouth-watering snacks. You can have your choice of snacks. Here I got tacos with guacamole dipping, popcorn, peanut chicky, sesame sweet balls, and marshmallows to make s'mores. Next we move on to the most important thing is medicine box. I took some personal medicine, few bandage, Neosporin, fever and cold tablet, and other essentials. Please don't forget your medicine. And finally, we move on to games. Usually, games keeps us engaged and avoid boredom. Actually, we used to play at late evening. Now I have Shuttlecock and playing cards. If you find the videos useful, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the bell button, hit like, and please let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you all with my next video. Bye.